Hi everyone, I'm Jaya and welcome to CNT Cooking. Today we're making Taiwanese fried chicken. Taiwanese fried chicken is one of my favorite night market snacks. It's crispy, juicy, and just so good. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using chicken breast. The marinade includes 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, 1 egg, and 2 garlic cloves. We'll also need sweet potato starch and oil. I'll be using homemade pork oil, but we'll use that right before frying. First, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, mince the garlic. Add the soy sauce, sugar, 5 spice powder, salt, and rice wine to the bowl. Add the garlic. Crack the egg in. Mix everything together until the chicken is fully coated. Now we have to cover it up with a plastic wrap or lid and let it marinate in the fridge for 1-2 hours. Once it's ready, take the chicken out of the fridge and get ready to fry. Coat each piece with sweet potato starch. This starch gives it a perfect crunchy texture. Next, prepare the pot and pour in pork oil. Wait until the oil is heated up properly at medium heat. Once the oil is ready, carefully add in the chicken pieces one by one. Fry one side until it turns golden brown, then flip them over and fry the other side. Each batch should take around 4 to 6 minutes depending on the size. Once both sides are golden and crispy, take them out of the oil and plate them right away. Now we can add the seasoning. I'm using pepper salt. Okay, yay! It's time to try it! It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. This dish is perfect as midnight snacks, especially in Taiwan. You'll see this everywhere at night markets. And that's it for our Taiwanese fried chicken. It's crispy, juicy, and super easy to make at home. Honestly, this is one of my favorite late night snacks, and I hope you get to try it too. We hope you enjoyed Taiwanese fried chicken and have fun cooking. Thank you for watching.